Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dropshipping and a popular tool called Spocket. But before we jump in, have you ever dreamed of being your own boss, selling cool products online, and working from anywhere in the world? That's the allure of dropshipping, and Spocket can be a helpful platform to get you started. But here's the real question: can you use Spocket for free? The answer, like most things in life, is a bit more nuanced than a simple yes or no. So, buckle up, aspiring entrepreneurs, because we're about to explore the free and paid options Spocket offers. The allure of free, the Spocket Basic Plan. Let's start with the good news. Spocket does indeed offer a free plan, aptly named the Basic Plan. This plan gives you a taste of what Spocket can do, allowing you to browse a selection of products from US and EU suppliers. You can even add up to 25 of those products to your online store. Now, this might seem like a perfect starting point, especially if you're just testing the dropshipping waters. But here's the catch: with the Basic Plan, you can't actually fulfill any orders. That means no sales, no profit, and ultimately, no real business. Think of it like this: the Basic Plan is like a fancy brochure for a car dealership. You can browse all the amazing vehicles, but you can't drive one off the lot unless you pay. The power of paid plans, unlocking Spocket's potential. This is where Spocket's paid plans come in. Spocket offers 3 paid tiers: Starter, Pro, and Empire. Each tier unlocks additional features and increases the number of products you can add to your store and fulfill. The starter plan lets you fulfill up to 25 orders per month, which is a good starting point for someone with a small but growing store. Pro and Empire plans offer even higher fulfillment limits and additional perks like automatic order routing and branding removal on invoices. Free versus paid, making the right choice. So, which plan is right for you? Here's a breakdown to help you decide. Just starting out? The Basic Plan can be a good option to test the waters, get familiar with the Spocket platform, and explore product options. But remember, you won't be able to make any sales. Ready to launch? If you're serious about starting a dropshipping business, a paid plan is essential. The starter plan is a good starting point for small stores, while Pro and Empire cater to growing businesses with higher sales volume. Beyond Spocket, additional costs to consider. Now, keep in mind that Spocket isn't the only expense you'll face as a dropshipper. Here are some other things to factor in. E-commerce platform: you'll need a platform to host your online store. Popular options like Shopify or Wix have their own monthly fees. Product costs: when you fulfill an order, you'll pay the supplier's wholesale price for the product. Marketing and advertising: attracting customers to your store doesn't happen magically. You might need to invest in marketing and advertising to drive traffic. The final verdict: free trial time. Here's the best part: Spocket offers a 14-day free trial for its paid plans. This is a fantastic way to test drive the platform, see how it integrates with your store, and fulfill a few orders without any upfront commitment. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep hustling, and good luck with your dropshipping journey.